Before starting the video, do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Our today's topic is about facts and info about the 7 continents of the world. The total landmass on Earth is formed of 7 continents of various sizes. The name of the 7 continents of the world are: these are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. They have fixed areas. Instead, Europe and North America are moving apart at the rate of 7 cm every year, research says. Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent of the 7 continents in size and population. Asia covers 1/3 of Earth's surface. The continent is home to the 10th highest peak in the world. Its size is 44,579,000 square kilometers. It has total 48 countries. It contains the world's largest country, Russia, and the world's 2 most populated countries, China and India. Asia saw the birth of 2 great ancient civilizations, Harappa civilization and Chinese civilization. The religions of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity first began in Asia. The major animals found in Asia are reticulated pythons, tigers, pandas, yaks, Indian rhinoceroses. Africa. Of the 7 continents of the world, Africa is the second largest. The continent's land was livable and stayed unknown for thousands of years, earning it in the name of Dark Continent. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are home in Africa. The world's hottest place, Ethiopia, is in Africa. As per research evidence, Africa is the place where Homo sapiens originated and then migrated to all the other continents of the world. More than 50% of the world gold and 95% of the world diamonds come from the mineral-rich continents of Africa. The world also gets 66% of its chocolates from the Dark Continent. Australia. Australia is the world's smallest continent and is also known as an iceless continent, and is surrounded by the water on all sides. The official name of Australia is the Commonwealth of Australia. Australia lies entirely on the south of the equator and is often called the country down under. The name Australia comes from the Latin word australis, meaning southern. Of all the continents in the world, Australia stands at the top of wool productions and import. This is because the sheep population in the world's smallest continent is 14 times that of its human population. Austria is home to over 500 varieties of eucalyptus trees. 2/3 of Australia is desert land. The world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef, is around 2,000 kilometers long. Antarctica. Antarctica is not only the coldest place on Earth but also the highest, driest. 75% of the world's ice and 70% of the Earth's fresh water is in Antarctica. It is also called the White Continent or the Frozen Continent. Antarctica sees half a year of light and half a year of complete darkness. Summer month of December to Feb give 24 hours of light, while the winter month of late March to late September are dark the whole day. Antarctica saw the coldest natural temperature even recorded on Earth was 89 degrees Celsius. Nothing can rot in the icy water of Antarctica. There are no time zones on this continent. The largest land animal in Antarctica is a 1.3 cm long insect known as Baltic Antarctica. Europe. Europe and Asia are part of the same major landmass. the highest mountain in the continent in Mt. Elbrus. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in Europe. Finland in Europe is called the land of lakes because melting ice sheets have created a lot of lakes here. Great Britain and Ireland from the two main island group of Europe. Moscow is called the port of five seas as through its rivers and canals it connects to five seas. Maize, barley, rice and oilseeds are the major food crops of the continent. 3/4 of the world's potatoes grow in Europe. The Volga is the longest river in Europe. North America. North America has 5 time zones and is the only continent with every types of climates. North America was named after the explorer Amerigo Vespucci and is also known as the New World. The world's third longest river, the Mississippi, is in the North America. The average food intake of individual is the highest on this continent. The world's largest economy, the USA, is a part of North America. The world's largest producer of maize, wheat, and soybean is North America. The world's smallest elk, the elk, is found on this continent. The moose and the elk found in North America are the first and second tallest animal on the continent. South America. The world's largest river as per water volume and the second longest, the Amazon, is in South America. This continent houses the world's highest waterfall, the Angel Falls. The world's largest snake and the second longest, the green anaconda, also resides in South America. The highest volcanoes of the world, Mt. Cotopaxi and Mt. Chimborazo, are also found in this continent. Brazil, the country which is the largest coffee producer in the world, is in South America. The major languages spoken in this continent are Portuguese and Spanish. That's all from our today's video. Thank you so much for watching.